my boo? It is your girl Stacey Woo. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be chilling and playing in some makeup. I created this look, money green look, in this video. So if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you guys keep on watching. I am definitely all over the place today because, honey, I'm getting into April, and with it being April, honey, and close to April, I have my daughter's birthday, I have my husband's birthday, and then I also have our anniversary. And usually with the anniversary, my husband takes care of that. When I tell you, I'm like, I'm going crazy, okay? My daughter is driving me crazy about her birthday, all right? She's so spoiled, but at the same time, she's really humble. She just real expensive. But she's such a good kid. She's an honor roll kid. So it's like, I gotta make sure her birthday party is the bomb. I told her she could have whatever she wanted, and she wants to do a spa party. Oh, I touched my eyebrow. I'm prepping my skin, honey. So yeah, she is definitely having a spa party, and we're just doing a Zoom spa party due to the pandemic. I told her she could pick her couple of friends that she wants to invite, and what I would do, send like little care packages, little robes and stuff like that. Then they could just be all on Zoom, and then they just spa and play and do their nails together. I'm very excited about, you know, doing that for the kids and doing that for her. I just think that with it being Easter too, all this stuff I gotta figure out, you know, far as cake. But I got a lot of stuff done, but I just been so busy. I definitely been really busy on her party because she definitely deserves it. She's a really good kid. Definitely not perfect, okay? She got her little ways. She's really good. She loves helping people. Such a really good kid that I'm going to make sure that her party is the bomb, you know? And not only that, I have a spring collection coming up. I'm getting ready to shoot that. I have to go over like looks and stuff like that. So I just been really tired, like really. But at the same time, I've been very motivated. So I'm very grateful that I'm tired in a good way, because I definitely do remember back in the day when I was working like a regular job, and basically a job that I didn't want to do. And I used to be tired like this, and I used to be so upset. I'm grateful that even though I am tired and I got a lot going on, I'm just happy that I'm doing something that I love to do. It's like I'm tired, but I'm doing the things that I love to do, so it's not too bad. You know what I'm saying? And I'm grateful for that. When I tell you right now, I am pushing myself. I'm definitely pushing it, okay? But yes, I am like worn out. I'm so thankful that the Lord is allowing me to still at the end of the day do something that I love to do, but I'm so tired. And I think I'm so focused on making sure that my daughter party is like so bright that I haven't really been focusing on my work. It's like more personal stuff I've been focusing on lately. So, you know, and I'm grateful that I started ordering stuff now, so I won't have to be nervous about things not being here by the time her birthday, because her birthday's on the 6th. And for my anniversary, I'm not really worried about that. My husband usually take care of that, and then I just like, you know, get him something. But his birthday is on the 18th of April, so I have to also get ready to do something for him. With all this COVID stuff, I'm really trying to figure out what am I going to do for his birthday. But I don't really know what I want to do, because we have really been obeying the laws of the land. We have really been in the house during this pandemic. We haven't been, you know, going and traveling anywhere. We'll figure it out what we gonna do. But yeah, I just been so tired, working. Definitely being a mom, okay? You know, getting it together. Now I'ma just pat this. Like seriously, this is a really good technique. I'm just trying to make sure that I am very, very cautious of all the things that I do and just get on a real good schedule, because not only am I pushing out a line, but I also have a lot of birthdays and anniversaries coming up, so I gotta do what I gotta do. I am at a place where as though if I'm tired, I'm chilling, and that's just basically what I've been doing. And what is so crazy, tomorrow it will be 12 years me and my husband been together. And on the 26th, we will be married for two years. No, 3 years, I think. No, because we got married 2018, 19, 20. Yeah, so it'll be 3 years. And that is so crazy how time just goes by like that. I'm so proud of us though, because we've came a long way. You know, we was not perfect. Nobody is perfect. A relationship is never perfect. Anybody tell you that a relationship is perfect, they lying. It's about the dedication. Just knowing that you're there for that person, and it's not because you're there for that person for what they could do for you, is you're there for that person because you love that person too. And I think that's what really allows a lot of relationships to really last, when they are not selfless, you know? I'm really going to just do something like money green, as you can see, and I'm just stacking all my colors on, and I'm just gonna take a clean brush and just go just like that. But yeah, I'm so excited for us to be 12 years. That is like so amazing. So now I just want to carry this over just a little bit, just so it can just look a little like, you know. And I'm like just tapping a black just like over top of it, just like that. So I just want to take some. I just got quiet for a whole couple minutes. I'm going to jump into this loose pigment, some gold pigment, and just lay that right over top. That looks so pretty. Do my under eye real quick. Like, these eyes look so pretty. I gotta do a one, y'all. Like, not a full one, but at least like a half of one or something. And don't worry about the blue. I'm gonna cover it up with a color. Just giving myself just a little highlight, you know. My placement in my eyelashes been flicked lately too. I've been looking at my videos like, oh, that eyelash, come on. So I'm trying to do them right. This looks so pretty. This video was a little quiet, but still came out good. Oh, this makeup is looking like something, okay? I was a little quiet, but I did still give you something. So my boo, this is the final look. I really love how this look came out. It is definitely the money green for me. You dig me? If you is feeling this look too and love how this look came out, don't forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below, my boo. Also, my boo, if you haven't subscribed and you're still watching this video, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell button too, so you won't miss my upcoming videos. So with that being said, I love you, boo, so much. Thank you for watching this video and watching me get glam for you, boo. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.